In today's video, I will share with you some principles of the world's richest man, Elon Musk's life, which if followed, can lead to success in your life as well. Along with that, we will discuss the difficult and good times of his life. 1. Take calculated risks. 2. Focus on long-term sustainability. 3. Challenge conventional thinking. 4. Work smarter, not just harder. 5. Surround yourself with brilliant minds. 6. Execute with precision and speed. 7. Seek simplicity and complexity. 8. Drive towards efficiency in all endeavors. 9. Stay adaptable and agile. 10. Have a clear vision and purpose. 11. Empower and inspire your team. 12. Value honesty and transparency. 13. Continuously iterate and improve. 14. Strive for excellence in every detail. 15. Be resilient in the face of setbacks. 16. Maintain a relentless pace of innovation. 17. Actively listen and learn from feedback. 18. Think globally, act locally. 19. Be empathetic and customer-focused. 20. Lead with integrity and humility. 21. Embrace diversity and inclusion. 22. Foster a collaborative and open culture. 23. Stay optimistic and determined. 24. Set audacious but achievable goals. 25. Break down complex problems systematically. 26. Promote sustainable and ethical practices. 27. Take ownership and accountability. 28. Communicate clearly and effectively. 29. Balance short-term gains with long-term impact. 30. Invest in continuous self-improvement. 31. Be resourceful and adaptable in adversity. 32. Promote a healthy work-life balance. 33. Foster an environment of experimentation. 34. Encourage thinking outside the box. 35. Value time as your most precious resource. 36. Be decisive and action-oriented. 37. Celebrate successes and learn from failures. 38. Think independently and critically. 39. Stay humble and hungry for knowledge. 40. Embrace disruption and change. 41. Champion bold ideas and moonshots. 42. Build resilient and scalable systems. 43. Inspire others with your passion and vision. 44. Never stop dreaming, exploring, and creating.